I have been trying to record a good video for a long time now because it keeps crashing and stuff like this. This is called Own a Car and Race. So, I can crash my car if I'm not careful. Like this guy, that was close. No, too close, too close, too close. I'm going the wrong way. I'm going the wrong way. And I can't turn or anything. How did that kill me? I don't understand this. No! Don't crash. Dun 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 dun. No! I was going to do good. I was supposed to do good. Oh, I can see somebody. They're gonna try to block me from getting up. Up, never mind. I'm gonna give up now. So, let's complete a lap, and let's see if I can complete a lap. I bet that's possible. Okay, so let me also explain why I wasn't here this week. I was on a trip, and so that's why I wasn't recording. But also, I'm starting school again. So, since that was winter break when I started my YouTube channel, and so I won't be recording once every 2 days. I will be recording once every week during school, but when I have a break again, it will be once every 2 days again. So I think I might have a good chance of doing this right. Let's see if I can get through this really fast. No, it's parts. Watch out for the parts. They can also hurt your car. If I run into those, it could damage my car. Oop. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Yes. Okay. So this is gonna be another lap. Yes. That's how many laps I can get without dying. Let's see. My record now is 2 laps. So let's see how many more laps I can get without dying. Oh, every single time I pass over the finish line, it counts as a lap, which is why before I had 1 lap. By the way, it never saves any of these records, so let's just hope I do well and not end up like that. So, now that I'm doing well again. Oh, I jinxed it. Great. No, nope, 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 nope. You can't do that. Just a fun little track. Okay, that was pretty close. Oh, come on! Who needs wheels anyways? So the silver car works best for me. Before it was the green car and stuff. Okay, let's try some different cars. Okay, so I did a lap. That's good enough for me. So now our new objective is to create the biggest explosion possible. Since the cars do explode, let's see if we can really wreck our car. So I'm gonna choose the bright red one because it's like fire. Come on, biggest explosion ever. Oh, nope. Okay then. That doesn't work. Okay, red car away. Nope. This doesn't seem to be working very well. Okay, big explosion coming. Oh, oh, come on. Oh, okay, I think I broke it. And that was the big explosion, I think. Wait, no. We should crash into another car and make a big explosion. See, there's some cars over here that didn't get quite exploded enough, so let's explode them. So, see that car that nobody's using? Okay, well, that can't kill me. There's no way that could have killed me. Okay, so it doesn't look like it. So, bye!